Hola a todos, ¿cómo están el día de hoy? Today is our third class of Introduction to Spanish. Today, Tuesday, we're gonna work first on numbers from 1 to 20, and on Thursday, we're gonna do it like from 20 to 100, okay? Today, after numbers, like I mentioned at 1 to 20, we're gonna learn about llamarse. Last Thursday, we learned how to say our name, like me llamo María. Today we're gonna learn in all the forms, like for yo, tú, él, ella, singular and plural. Okay? Do you remember actually last week when I was telling you, when I teach you last Thursday about the personal pronouns, then actually that was your only homework to study for this week. Because for what we're gonna do from now on, when we gonna work with verbs, we're gonna work on each of the pronouns, like yo, tú, él, ella, all of them. Okay, so that would be what we're gonna do today, llamarse. And the last thing that we're gonna do today is like datos personales, personal information, just some basic words, important words, and probably you need it when you travel, to fill up some forms, and in general, some words that might be probably that you know or you never heard about, but they will be definitely useful for you. Okay, so we're gonna start first with numbers. Are you ready? Let's see. Okay, so now we're gonna start with numbers. Okay, so again, like last week, what I told you, if you on your own in your office, at home, or even if you are around people and you don't mind, you can repeat after me. We're gonna do it now from 1 to 20. Okay, so repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 1 to 10. Del 1 al 10. Now, to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? From 11 to 20. Del 11 al 20. These are the numbers in Spanish. Los números en español del 1 al 20. Actually, from 20 to 100 is not that difficult, but I don't want to give you too much information just today. So from today and for next week, for next Thursday, okay, your homework is to study del 1 al 20. Why? Because on Thursday, to learn the numbers to 100, you actually gonna need this base to know from 1 to 10 and especially, but no, study from 1 to 20, okay? So this is for today regarding numbers. I know, super easy, isn't it? But now we're gonna move to llamarse. Okay, so now we're gonna learn llamarse, okay? Like me llamo, my name is, okay? What is the question asking for people's name? ¿Cómo te llamas? That's when you're asking for one person, okay? When you're speaking to someone and you want to know their name, ¿Cómo te llamas? But don't worry, we're gonna learn all the ways now, because obviously you now know the pronouns, so we're gonna learn all the singular way and all the plural, okay? So let's start. Yo me llamo. Tú te llamas. Usted se llama. Él o ella se llama. That's the singular. Me llamo, te llamas, se llama. Now let's do plural. Nosotros nos llamamos. O nosotras, ¿ok? Vosotros o vosotras os llamáis. Ustedes se llaman. Ellos o ellas se llaman. Again, nos llamamos. Os llamáis. Se llaman. So, this is the 3 ways of the singular and the 3 ways of the plural of llamarse. So now you know cómo te llamas. Now, if you want to be polite or somebody older than you can say, ¿cómo se llama? If you want to know the name of a third person, a girl, boy, or you know somebody there, ¿cómo se llama? No, what is her name? What is his name? That's in the singular. On the plural, it's exactly the same. Okay? So, ¿cómo se llaman? It's like, what is their name of these people? If it's a group of people, you know? Like for ellos o ellas, no? ¿Cómo se llaman ellas? Or ¿cómo se llaman ellos? But now, remember what I told you last week about the plural? Okay, so, again, with vosotros and vosotras will be, ¿cómo os llamáis? If you're talking to more than one person, you're not going to say, ¿cómo te llamas? Because you're talking to more than one person. So you will say, ¿cómo os llamáis? Now, if you're talking to more than one person again, but not in Spain and the rest of the Spanish-speaking world, you can say, ¿cómo se llaman? Just, ¿cómo se llaman? And it's exactly the same meaning. Like, what is your name for more than one person? You, plural. Okay? Don't worry if you still not get it. I know sometimes for people it's kind of hard to understand about the you, as in most languages it's only one way to express you, and Spanish is four, okay, to singular and to plural. But you will get there, because I will keep mentioning it with every example and every time that we're gonna do verbs. Again, review your pronouns for next class, okay? So this is regarding llamarse. Now we're gonna move to datos personales. And we got to the last part of our class of today, what is datos personales, personal information, okay? We're gonna start with nombre, what it means, name. But it means like your first name, you know, like in my case, Maria Laura, that is my first name, okay? It's not my family name, it's Maria Laura, nombre. Another one then is apellidos. When you see apellidos, and you're gonna see two spaces, I don't know if you travel, you sometimes wonder what is that. It's because in Spain and in Latin America, we do have two surnames, okay? We have the surname from our father first, and the last name is from our mothers, okay? Like in my case, Maria Laura Acevedo is that from my father, and Flores from my mother, okay? Maria Laura Acevedo Flores. That's my full name. Okay, actually it's a middle name, but I'm not going to talk about that now. Okay, so the next word is nacionalidad. Nationality. Okay? Actually, next class we're going to do nationalities. Okay, like inglés, inglesa, español, española. Okay? Now, the next word is edad, what means age. The next one is fecha de nacimiento o cumpleaños, okay? Fecha de nacimiento is date of birth. Cumpleaños, it means birthday, okay? So it's just two different ways to say the same thing, but be familiar with both of them, okay? Fecha de nacimiento and cumpleaños. Another one is dirección, okay? Dirección means address, okay? Another one is número de teléfono. Telephone number, okay? And the last one, correo electrónico, email address, okay? All these words are really useful, especially if you tend to travel, okay? So I hope that this class was good for you, then was helpful for you, then you enjoy it today to learn more about this language. And our next class will be on Thursday. We're going to do the second part of numbers. We're also going to do nationalities. So I hope to see you there. Okay, so with me will be until Thursday. Ciao, ciao.